Ah shit. See, this is where the games are played. It gets close to your level, but then it rejects, and then like you're about to get out, but then you're like, I don't know if it's gonna work, and should I stay in this trade? It's like a battle between you versus you. I'm almost at 50%, but that's still not my target. I can't just get out right here. Can't get out. Just can't. I was almost up today, but almost is not enough. I'm gonna show you guys what happened and how I deal with my losses. Hey guys, I'm Will. Welcome to the channel. I'm a part-time day trader trying to become a full-time. And if you guys are interested, you guys can join along with me. This is how my setup looks like. So this is how I look at it. And the market's already tanking. It already broke to 515. What I'm looking for is a break and retest. So it broke to 515. It broke to 21,300. It broke to 589. The ES is already broken. So I'm just looking for a retest, but it doesn't look like it's gonna give me anything. It's just a waiting game. So the market did hit the 510 level demand. That's most likely why it's getting a bounce. It could break the 510. If it does break the 510, I would maybe look for a retest and bring it to the 507. That's what I'm looking. And I'm just trying to see how major these levels are when I think about taking a trade. Actually, okay. I might actually take a trade here. The thing is, the ES is kind of closer to the supply zone, so I don't know if I really want to take this. This break above the 515 is not really that great. I'm just gonna try it. I'm just gonna try it here. I do options, by the way. I don't do stocks, so I don't do shares. I do options. So I'm gonna take this option right here. See how it goes. Damn, the demand's kind of crazy. The trade might be still alive, but I don't know. We'll see. We will see. See, I don't really like this. It's like going up, but then it's not really continuing. It's like kind of breaking down, going up. It's like very choppy. I don't know. I could just get out, but it doesn't make sense because either win or lose. That's all I want. If I'm just getting out in the middle, it doesn't make sense for my trading plan. The crazy thing is, look at the market right now. I bought it like around 515.50. I should be up a lot, but look, when the market gets choppy like this, your options decay. So that's the problem with options. It is pretty dangerous, and you can lose a lot of money fast. Yeah, probably got to get out here. 37%. Yeah, this is a lot more than I should be losing. I don't know. I'm kind of tempted to get this trade. This short right here. This Nasdaq area. The Nasdaq is rejecting this level. Yeah, I'm gonna get in. Okay, I got the what's it called? I got the 511 put. So I'm not basing it off the QQQ anymore. I'm basing it off the Nasdaq level. My stop loss will be above the Nasdaq level. Okay, now it's like working pretty quickly, which is crazy because when it works quickly, you just gain so much percentage so fast. It just almost wiped away all my losses from earlier. But then when it wicks back up, it's like you lose a lot of your value. But my target will be the 510 or the 585 or the low of the ES. See, if I get out right here, that's only a 1-to-1 still. It's not good enough. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know if it's gonna work out. It's like kind of like I might have the wrong level because I might have to retest the 515 and the 589 on the SPY. That's why maybe I got into early. Yeah, this demand is fucking crazy. Ah shit. See, this is where the games are played. It gets close to your level, but then it rejects, and then like you're about to get out, but then you're like, I don't know if it's gonna work, and should I stay in this trade? But it's like a battle between you versus you. Okay, look, it looks like it's still working, but is it gonna actually work out? Is it gonna follow through? I mean, it looks like it is, but I don't know. I'm almost at 50%, but that's still not my target. I can't just get out right here. Can't get out. Just can't. Yep. I think I lost here, guys. I think it's because it's New Year's. So it's like, yeah, the IV is like double. It's like right now it's like 20%. Usually it's at 10%. Like the options are getting more affected. That's crazy. Yeah, because I shouldn't be losing 30+%. 40%. This is crazy. What can I do? I lost today. I lost 2 trades. I used to take 2 trades max. Yeah. I'm reviewing this aftermarket, but these are my levels, right? I have 2 monitors, so it looks a bit different. So the market actually did go to the 585. I got it right here, this level. Boom. It retested the 589 on the SPY and the 50 SMA on the NASDAQ. And guess what? It went to my target of 585, which is crazy. Once it hit this low, I would have sold. Probably would have been probably 80%. Kind of sucks, but you know, it is what it is. Sometimes you're being close, but close is not enough. You can be there. You can be almost there, but being almost there is not going to be there. And same if you're trying to be profitable. Even if you're close to being profitable, you're just being close. You're still not profitable. I'm not profitable yet, but I'm on the grind. I'm on the grind. Reviewing back, what I think I did wrong was like right here. I tried along this area. I'm gonna put this green. So when it broke above this level, retest this level and go back up. So it did do that. And then it also broke through this level. It broke through this level. But the problem is because the SPY, the ES is right under this supply right here. This supply. So it's getting close to that, and that's why I rejected. I thought it could probably get close, at least touch it. Touch the 21,516, touch the 518 on the QQQ, touch the 592 on the SPY, and then reject. But sometimes it happens earlier because sometimes the market is just stronger on one market than the other market, even though it's like pretty similar. And that is why I lost on that one. And then when I tried to short the market, it was just too early to short, and the right level was yeah, it's probably the level, but I'll leave it because I had to like review my trades first. These are the trades today that I took at 10 and 10:30. The first trade was 46%, which is crazy, and then 39%. I think it's because the volume just died off. That's mainly the reason why it died off hard. And then that's the thing about options. So if it takes long or the volume gets choppy, you can lose more value, even though like the price might be higher than what you got it. So, and also the IV was kind of crazy today. I think it's because it's after New Year's and people are finally getting back into it, and then that's why it's even more dangerous. Yeah, look, I got it's 46%. I was up $25 at one point. Yeah, I didn't want to get out because that'll be a 1-to-1. But the next trade is actually more crazy because I was actually up almost $60, which that's basically a 2-to-1 almost on my trade. But still, I wouldn't get out because it wasn't hit my target, which was the 510 area. It is what it is, you know. If I only waited 10 minutes longer, or I took the trade over here, which I was planning to do, but I couldn't break my rules because I didn't want to take 3 trades because my max trades are only 2 trades, so that's why I didn't take more trades. This would have been about a 2-to-1 right here, if you can see, about 2-to-1. I don't really like, even if it was 3 like this, I say it was like 3. I wouldn't really count 3-to-1 because sometimes I give more of my risk. Like I don't, once it hits my level, like once it hits this level right here, I don't just sell it right away because I wanted to actually see it break a little bit more. And then if it fakes me out, then I could get back in, but it really depends. And then I was trying to short right here. I got in here. My target was basically right here. So it is basically a 2-to-1 as well. And see, my risk is like smaller, right? So I should have been technically losing less than what I should because my risk only should be 20-30%. But like I said, the market was just kind of crazy today, and the IV was higher. The only way to know that I'm gonna be doing good is like I have a plan, I have my strategy, I have my risk to reward, and if I can at least get 50% win rate, I know that if I have my proper risk reward, I can win in the long run. I wasn't even sure if I wanted to make this video because I didn't win, but I want to be honest and just be transparent and just show all my wins and losses, just all my trades, because I want to show my journey and document everything. It's almost been a year of trading. It would have been nice to be green, but it is what it is. It's a loss today, but you know, I'll come back tomorrow and hopefully win. But I don't really take trades often, so if I do, then I'll probably record it. So it's not always gonna be win. It's not always gonna be a loss, but we never know. Anyways, how you do one thing is how you do everything. Let's just get 1% better every day and stay disciplined. I'll see you in the next one.